Right, we are back in flat 2 at 11 York Road. So Alex has done a great job redecorating throughout. In the end, we actually decided to paint the woodwork as well, which has just come back and done. And searched the carpets, have lifted all the flooring and put down some new ones. So we decided in the end to go from hard flooring for the downstairs room. So the decision now going forward is to always have hard flooring downstairs, so basically no carpets around the kitchen area, because that needs to be carpeted. This is the kitchen, and then have carpets. This is a really nice space, this really large one bed, and then have carpeting on the stairs and the bedrooms only. And what we've done as well, I've gone for the more expensive, I'm not sure what they're called, more compact, I'm not sure what the term is, threading or something, thread carpets, because it's just a bit more hard wearing. It's a nice colour as well, it's not black, and it's not like light grey, which shows a lot of marks. I think it's just right. So this one should last a lot longer. The previous day I went for thicker ones, which feel nice on the feet, but unfortunately they get worn out very easily. So yeah, this is now all painted white and with new carpeting. Carly's has removed the old one of the old sofas, and he's going to bring from another property that we're refurbing a bed here and a mattress from a different property here as well. Ken has done the gardening at the back, so he's tidied everything up, realigned that, and cut away a lot of the hedges as well. So yeah, this is already let, as I said, for $850, which now looking at it, it's probably undervalued, I would have thought. I mean, right now we're in September, and I would expect in Edgbaston, a one bed flat would probably reach 900, 925, as it's just been done. But that said, some flats in the city centre, it's only 950, 925. So yeah, it's better to definitely get 850 than it is to hold out and potentially get a bit more, and then potentially not get a bit more, and then have the flat empty for months. So yeah, something to consider. Anyway, hopefully that's been helpful, and see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.